Guys, so this is the hair that we will be working with today. As you can see, I started plucking. Well, let me put it this way. I started plucking it on this side, and you could tell the difference on this side. This side is more thicker. So, and she bought the hair from, hold on, from this company, Dream Beauty. So this is a second install I'll be doing on my YouTube channel, and this is the hair again. And yeah, so basically what I did, I had wet the hairline. You can see it better when the hairline is wet. And then just start plucking. And before that, I part the hair. I didn't pluck directly at the hairline. I went behind the hairline and started plucking. And then after this, I'm gonna go wash the hair so it could be ready for tomorrow. And I'm watching Thor. Yeah, the hair feels nice though. Yes. So this is hold on. This is what I use to co-wash the hair. And this is the hair. We're gonna co-wash it. We're gonna use this. So now we are getting ready to prep her hair. I'm using the Gorilla Snot. I'm getting rid of all the baby hair and all the flyaway. I'm pushing it back. So when we do apply the cap, it will look smooth and nice. Now that we achieved the bald-headed method, we're going to apply makeup that's close to her skin tone, or apply a makeup that fit your skin tone. And also, as you can see, we have some that's lifting up. We're gonna apply more glue, well, the got to be, so we could flatten the cap. So now we're gonna clean her forehead. I'm using 91% alcohol. So when we do apply the Ghost Bond, it will look clear and nice. So now it's time to put on a wig. And I am so sorry, y'all. I am all up on the camera. This is bad angle. Next time I'll try to move my ass off the camera, but I don't know how that's gonna work. So what I like to do, I like to push the hair back with the glue so it could give like a nice meltdown look. When you're doing the baby hair, take your time with it. Just go smooth, and then don't rush it. Just don't rush it. It will look nice if you go smooth and take your time. Thank you for watching. This is the end result. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and also hit the notification button. So every time I drop a new video, you will be alert and watch the video. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.